Alex, for those who don't know me. I work for HMS Host in the airport. I'm probably been there for 10 years. With everything that's going on outside, we are being told to stay in the house, be safe, and that's what I'm gonna do. But now that I got all this free time, I'm just feel like I'm missing a little touch of my skills that pay the bills every single day. And instead of me in a big kitchen with an open fire and an oven, open flame, I'm gonna use my small oven, work in my small kitchen, but to make one of my favorite dishes. I'm gonna cook salmon, a dinner, with rice and asparagus. I'm gonna make it quick, and I'm gonna make it simple, and I'm gonna be real lazy about it. So let's have fun and enjoy this journey together, all right? All right, guys, this is my preparation for asparagus. I use a little fresh asparagus, of course, a little olive oil. From there, I go with my garlic pepper seasoning grinder. You get a little taste to it. Now that my salmon is seasoned, I use a garlic pepper seasoning with a little New Orleans Cajun spices. Have it sit in the oil. It's gonna be fine. As I got my skillet getting hot and ready, it'll be prepared to get ready to go in the skillet. It's very important that you make sure you have a very hot skillet, so that way the piece will come out perfect, okay? Man, nice and smooth. Look how good it looks. Yeah. As you can see, my skillet is extremely hot. As of course, you know you got to use cast iron skillet. You know, if this ain't gonna get hot, ain't nothing gonna get hot. And I'm gonna just show you what I mean by hot. Nothing in there. That oil that's already seasoned. As you can see, I'm doing the asparagus. I turn the skillet up high, but then you eventually want to turn it down low because you don't want to burn it up. Unless you like extra char, that's not what I'm going for. I wanted to get it in a nice char though, but I don't want it to be burnt. Everything has already been cooked, prepared, and now it's for the fun part. Give me one moment. Oh yeah, there it is. My work of art. Guys, it's been a pleasure to be able to cook for y'all today. Now, if you excuse me, let me dive in.